So our third one is the Lewis diagram for NH3 or ammonia. So nitrogen is in group 15 on the periodic table. So it has 5 electrons in its outer shell and it needs 3 more to be stable. Hydrogen is in the first group, so it has 1 electron in its outer shell, and as it's in period 1, it only needs 1 more to have a full outer shell of 2 because it only has that first shell. So that means that our nitrogen is going to be our central atom, and we're going to add our 5 electrons around the central atom, putting 1 in each of the 4 areas at a time, and then our final one we pair up, so we've got a lone pair of electrons here. Then we need to add our 3 hydrogens. So we're looking for those areas where there's a single electron, and we're placing a hydrogen next to each of those areas. And then we need to add our valence electrons to the outer atoms, and in this case it's just 1 electron for each hydrogen. Then we're looking for those areas where both the nitrogen and the hydrogen, so the central atom and the outer atom, have a single electron, and we're pairing up those single electrons to turn them into bonding pairs of electrons. And so now we can count up our valence electrons. So nitrogen needs 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So nitrogen is stable, and each hydrogen needs 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So our hydrogens are stable. So when we started, nitrogen had 5 valence electrons, and each hydrogen had 1, giving us 3 valence electrons, which means that we have 8 in total. And if we check that against our diagram, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this here is the correct Lewis diagram for ammonia.